Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to use Find My iPhone. In order to start using this feature, we need to of course enable it in the settings. So you can go to the settings. In the settings you should be able to go to your Apple account by tapping on your name, and then here you should find My. If you go over here, you can enable your location, sharing your location. You also have Find My iPhone over here, which you can enable right here by tapping on the switcher. You can also enable Find My Network, which allows you to check the location of your iPhone even if it's offline. And also we have Send Last Location, so when the battery is low, you can still send the location where it was last detected. And of course, in addition to that, we have the Find My app, which allows you to pretty much also connect with other people on or other devices as well. So if you go over here, then you should be able to go to people. You can start sharing your location with other people. You can go to devices in order to find the list of all your devices. You can also press this plus button over here in order to add more. You can also press items in order to add AirTags or anything that is compatible with this with iPhones as well. And of course you can also go to me in order to find some details about your location. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!